What's up, fellas? Right now we're just finishing up an oil change, and then at the end we're gonna do a free coda scan. So I'm gonna just plug it into the computer and then I'll let you know what's wrong with it. Alright, we're just gonna turn it on real quick. This car also has a check engine light, so we're gonna check that out and see what's wrong with it. It's a little under the dot, so we should be good. Alright, so I'm gonna use my scanner from King Bolin. It's a bi-directional scanner. That's all you pretty much need. You don't really need a fancy one if you're just like doing basic, just when you're just doing code readings. This one connects to my phone, so I'll be able to do that.